Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open Messenger in a browser. All right. As you can see here, I have my Messenger opened on my Android device. Now, what we're going to do to open up a Messenger on a browser is just fire up any browser that you want. All right. For example, here I have Chrome. This will work on both iOS and Android. All right. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the URL box right here at the top. Type in messenger.com. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. And as you can see here, it requires us to download it from Google Play or App Store if you're using iOS. So what we're going to do, as you can see here, we have the three dots right here at the top right. Tap on it. And in here, you're going to want to locate a desktop site, as you can see here. And that will be a tick box. Just go ahead and tap on the tick box right here, and it will load up the desktop version of the Messenger. All right. Just go ahead and hit on continue if you have logged into your Messenger right here on your phone. Or just go ahead and hit on switch account if you want to switch for another account. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. And as you can see here, it is now opening. If you want to allow notifications, just go ahead and hit on allow. But I don't want to, so I'm going to hit on block. As you can see here, it requires for a PIN, which is your end-to-end encryption PIN. Just go ahead and type it down in here. All right, it says here verifying your PIN. And as you can see, we have just opened Messenger on a web browser. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.